Watch live or on-demand TV from your phone, tablet or computer, around your home or on the go. Download the app and sign in with your Sky ID. You can use the App Store, Google Play Store, or go online to sky.com/Sky Go Download and click Download Now. Depending on your Sky TV package, you can see everything Sky has to offer. Watch all your favourite shows live under TV Guide. Sky Cinema and Sky Sports, along with Sky Originals and kids shows, are all available to watch at any time in On Demand. Anything you want to save to your device, you can keep in your Downloads tab. For a first-time setup, you can link Sky Go to your Sky Q box by being on the same Wi-Fi, so you can manage your Sky Q box when on the go. To remote record, go to TV Guide on your app and find the show that you'd like to save onto your Sky Q box for later. You can choose to record once, or where possible, record series. You can set subtitles to automatically on, play another episode with autoplay, and personalise your homepage with what you want to watch the most, all from the Sky Go app. And with Sky Mobile, you can enjoy all that on the go without using your data. For more information, go to sky.com/help.